So what are rational numbers and irrational numbers? Let's first talk about rational numbers. The word rational comes from ratio. A number is said to be rational when we can write it as a ratio of two integers. For example, 3/2 is a rational number because both 3 and 2 are integers. Even 3 alone is a rational number because we can write it as 6/2 or 3/1. What about 0.25? We can write it as 1/4. Therefore, 0.25 is a rational number. What about 0.3 repeating? We can write it as 1/3, so it is also a rational number. The same goes for 0.9 repeating, which can be written as 1/1. So, if a number is an integer, it is a rational number. If it is a fraction, it is a rational number. And if it is a decimal with repeating digits, it is still a rational number. On the other hand, a number like pi, which is 3.14159 and continues without any repeating pattern, is an irrational number because we cannot write pi as a ratio of two integers. The same is true for e, which is 2.71828 and continues without a pattern. The square root of 2 is also irrational because it cannot be expressed as a ratio of two integers. However, the square root of 9 is 3, and 3 is a rational number, so the square root of 9 is rational. That's everything you need to know about rational and irrational numbers.